Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into the video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a really fun mani and it was a little stressful for me but worth it. I'm doing the popular French manicure using Madame Glam gel polishes and some pine gel polishes as well. This video is also going to be really short. I will be applying my sunscreen to my hands because it's going to be in the lamp a lot for this design. So I'm starting off on my nude the powder nails. This is Revel Nail Havana. Now I apply my top coat to my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. I already applied some sunscreen to my hand off camera. It's always best to place a sunscreen on your hand to protect your hands. I'm not trying to have aging skin right now. I'm too young for that. I will be using my Makartt detail brush for this design. So I was a little confused as to how I wanted to do this design. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do all of the base colors first or should I do one nail at a time and fully complete it before going on to the other nails. So I was trying to figure out which method would get me faster results without being in the lamp as often. So I started on the pinky nail and this blue is really pretty. I want to use this color again. I actually did 2 layers and I do believe I showed the 2 layers. I cannot remember right now. I'm not sure if I did, but for all of the nails I did 2 layers of the base color. So I ended up changing my mind and I wanted to flash cure each base color because curing for 30 seconds wasn't it. So I placed all the base colors down first. So when I was completed with the first layer of the pinky nail, I actually flash cured for 5 seconds. I didn't cure for the 30 seconds, I forgot about that. Then I did the ring nail and flash cured, then the middle nail and flash cured. And when I was completed, I cured the nails for 30 seconds. This seemed easier for me. I don't think my hand was in the lamp that much, but you can do it how you see fit. So now that my base colors are completed, it's time for the design. So I placed all the colors on my palette. This design was pretty simple and nice, but I didn't plan out how I was going to achieve it, and it's so many colors I had to use, and also trying not to be placing my hand in the lamp for an extended amount of time. It was really confusing and a lot of work, but the end result was amazing. So on the pinky nail, I'm doing cloud nails. This came out so cute. Oh my gosh, I did not cure when I was finished with the clouds. Then I went on to the ring nail where I'm doing cherry nails. So I did the cherry dots first and I flash cured for 5 seconds. And then I did the stems, but I did not flash cure those as yet. Then I moved on to the middle nail and I did the smiley face. Next, on to the index nail, I did some hearts with the dotting tool and my detail brush. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Next, I top coated the nails and cured again for 30 seconds. Then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So I really liked this nail design and it's perfect for the summer. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.